San Emma Makwaba at the Badwam TV bedroom, and I will need to watch and a bresso if you do some day I will can see him and some remedy at Dinyameba. Bernard Padibucha, as I say, I come as Humanicho, as my proud producer, and I know pay as I say, and so and come bet power, ye bet power bedra, boys say Didi, now what you hear, boys say Didi. 5 European League fixtures in and I say matches Nina Gugu yeah right there boys did boys did I'm call Pate to score about intino obi the 1,000 cities at also nisika ontimi nkan na no pay be break kwa o sisi be break kwa o the tuya school fees o the tuya light bill o the tuya water bill test o the tuya ho kan nyina intino o ye be ma na ohwe me a e wo so bet power na nse bibia ekosmo na sika be gu bottom na bibia ekosmo intempa so ye sha se fi obi man so ne hwe the 5 European leagues no so na e ko na wo twi name wording na wo twi name wording Manchester United etine fi lusu ye na odi agro de ma West Ham ye Ghana mborantia owo England na wo twi di omudi agro papa the likes of Thomas Partey, Mohamed Kudus, Jordan Ayew, Fatau Ishahaku. Charlie Ghana on say you Afcon qualify eda yinim intino yem branch na ebo modern say dia now a coach now teacher say we need if you said do na ebo modern around the world no omo bom homodin papa na what we dey on bon na dey ni emfa Spanish La Liga na hwe matches e course na match no so urade nyame boys try Barcelona 2 out of 2 we win. Barcelona winning against Atletico Bilbao. Oboneka mi no mo team back. Real Madrid the Galacticos and so ebo Real Valladolid Camian San went to me madam the Spanish La Liga now that we Italian Serie A so na nye fedi agro matches ni bi etito na Napoli yes o win AC Milan elusu International Milan as we win against Lecce na say Inter Milan so as this season almost start year kakra ye hwe de because now that we win the German Bundesliga and so Borussia Dortmund win the first match win at Vincent Company also win for Bayern Munich as head coach and also then we the French league and so without Kylian Mbappe for Paris Saint-Germain back-to-back wins and Aquarium just saying Paris Saint-Germain are not missing the lives of Kylian Mbappe with team so winning back-to-back almost just 6 and 7 the goals in their back yes around the world and the Bremono yes the 5 major leagues to when try better was so beshi so when trabia was so yeshi so also trebi now the boys in nyina me director said directing me na no pay almost nyame ba why ni nyina if you say Friday Saturday Sunday ni nyina boy na say eh na chairman dem mo me kakran che moto mo Thomas mo nti bibia akoso mo Thomas di peche nti no so Thomas a no pay e ma bibia how Thomas be sort out omo na edwuma ko mo so mas the bet power super. And feature the CAF Champions League, the Ghanaian reps representing Africa. What then we need and our Cross Sports Stadium, Samates 1996. And Amoyade, Amoche Victoria United of Cameroon, Ebo Mekaba, Kwawenti Messi Madabrakaneno, acquired 2-0 on aggregate. Now, Yenshe, send no highlights no, Ekoye.
Players who will be ready. Already pleased with the way his side has fared inside the first 7 minutes of this game. We've not really seen them in their groove. They're struggling to pick the right passes, especially in the middle of the pitch. There's a lovely ball from Daku to R4. He makes a good run into the box. Here is R4. R4 goes for glory, and it's a stupendous finish. Glorious goal by R4. And Samatex have opened the scoring at the Accra Sports Stadium. What a beauty. And the Timber Giants are up by 1-0 against Victoria United in the African Champions League second ball stadium. Perfect start, the perfect start. We spoke about the long balls and the highlight from Victoria, but R4 in an advanced position does so well. The first touch was just beautiful, but that was a lovely first touch with the head. And he was unfazed by that challenge, the approaching challenge, and just look at that. Marker, he was relentless. He went past him. He took a second touch, raised his head and saw the goal.
Samates, Nurudin now, then someone to just say, I'm blessed no answer down but to satisfaction, but the winning and the win now and will be a chef.
They were wounded lions. They needed to come in all out and see what could be the end results. And we knew that it was going to be very difficult because even at their backyard they played very well. So we have to be very tactical in our approach and then very tactically disciplined during the game. And what is most unfortunate is that they didn't allow us to video the game, and that also harmed them because we should have sat back to watch how they played, but they knew that something was wrong. Okay, so just have to rely on maybe some tactics, what we have seen, or maybe what I jotted down to be able to. But the modern game has reached a situation whereby you watch videos of the team, especially the match that you played, and then you can see, because even your players, when you are telling them something, they look at you, but when they see it, it's very graphic and they can visualize, they can see the reality on the situation. So it was we knew it was going to be very difficult, and that also affected the psyche of the players, even though I tried to protect them.
Summer test 1996, Asia Raja Athletic Club. Second round, Nimubayedin. Second round, Nimubayedin. Athletic Club of Morocco. Omoko North to Honum. Also, Mumiomu. So much show sample museo. And yes, Yenimdia not to follow your but I feed ye see a reactor so Yemfa Boge and yes, so any infantry the Cup Confederation Cup, yes, and in Swatermine. Amutigana ni mom kobi man so ekobo elect sport e come in went means Madaba canteen so atreman and so 5 goals on aggregate. Yes, it is atreman abon modern hwe stand so atreman highlights no so ekoya. In Swatraman so ebeko Algeria. Samates eko Morocco no in Swatraman eko Algeria. Intine was some bon humodin papa because some could share the Constantine of Algeria. It was just Swatraman umbo humodin. I mean if they recall the analysis of Edmond Aka, Edjo Monaya so into Vivia ebeko so the respective teams. So in the infantry Songo State, the man himself, Patrick or say Ajima, you can call him countryman Songo. Fireman ultimate kind of pay me watching.
Fantastic morning.
Fantastic morning. So now what promo you there?
Oh, minyanko pone so me hu ye pa
more fire. More fire.
Now, me take no quick 1, 2. First one, nia wo de free so a wo de sorry so about me we. Ye premier teams no and ye teams na omo Africa no Champions League ni Confederation Cup no. Me take me take ni. As it stands now, 2 teams in this round to remind any Samatex 2 teams no North Africa how no more koning in. As it stands now, Nkugu de Maomo. Games no bobo in our half first and San Omako North Africa, Morocco, New Algeria. Omube to me afano as motivation. Now omudi are motivating omo. Now omudi ayede. And yes, surprise to me. Some be surprising me. Some be surprising Ghana, but omube to me working on as some making. Now omo to me ayede edin kunim. But as it stands now, Algeria and Morocco no more no. Nkugu de Maomo. Omo mo born all right. First legs, a 2 ning in ball hands and Omako, Morocco, New Algeria. The reason being, back on the say, Algeria and Morocco leagues, in a strong change. So 2 countries, Algeria, Morocco leagues no more bono, a strong change. Ye players to crab, pursue Moko Hokra, Omania Europe and Quat, say, North Africa, or Dumia, Umbako, Moon is no matter some ruffle. Into Omu League, no, and as Omu League, Omu Bono, Morocco, any Algeria, no, a strong change. Almost football no more on a strong chance. There are 2 countries, no, or more top 10 African countries, or more top 10, Algeria, Morocco. In the assistant now, you start a minus summer test. Oma qualified to the second phase of the CAF and the Confederations Cup. No. But as it stands now, almost out, defeat stay in the face of them. Defeat and a kind of I just said, they take it our motivation, we fire away. No more work it towards it to overturn it. Because league, Morocco, Algeria, and they say, Omo papa, a chain Ghana there. Or say a year when a football, your football coffin. And what do you know? Move for motivating move. And yes, be a songo, we share move back. A songo stake. Me taking it say, ma qualify from first phase, ma second phase, move here Algeria team, and a Morocco team. So 2 countries, no, Omo Boko and Nimu Chan into assistance no more year from moment me a year from our Cup Champions League in the Confederations Cup. No. 2 teams in final motivation, no more work it out, so it's very hard. In short, mind, near minima bit my boom, Kakani, so coach, Maso Knodino, or that's all they are, the experience. But a young in the Gina Park in the Super Bowl, Maso Knodino could experience, no, I would coach here, or bit me the IBB, but a young in the Gina Park in the so at the end of the day, our Bobo. And no. Now, me back the whole Ghana, you better talk about NKBR. Presidential candidate, almost promise. NDC Mahama, promise. MPP Baumia, promise. Alan, so promise. Omu in Ayebo who do more accountable. Wow, be president be a winya, the brain be able who do accountable. And now Mahama, the manifesto, me told me was ya me mukatra me, try to make me ajimunchi the hen. Sa elite sports athletes in Fona or Bepeso Betua woman. O Tia Ghana Premier League, Premier teams no so Akahuana. Premier teams no. O Tia almost Akahuana say or say elite sports. Or Betua Omuka funding or Befe free or the taxpayers' money and Sika no Befe free or the Tia. Omo Ghana Premier League ka Ekahuana mebisa Ghana Premier League no teams na yo private omo japade no or the taxpayers man ni kutua na o so bi to elite sports for ka obepe sika no for free enti me dem hold omo accountable or say own stadium memete or say economic hardship economy say ni more dignity own stadium but this time we about on the manifesto mo say mini a multi sports hall almost person mechanic complex because almost a CMSCC complex maybe but we a multi sports hall and no befa disabled and able parking can where the bubble and you have a problem but no say economic hardship into a Ghana won't mean AC stadium for but multi-purpose there. Wa baka on the manifesto musu obesi ama chefe ye dia ye athletics no football field fine sa promise no obetumi aye I will hold him accountable. I will hold Mahama accountable. Why president that and wo person say president or say fata say obey president be Baumia efusun se mo ka efa a sports no any grassroots to say many on City Stadium no I will hold them all accountable but me catch the President Mahama say me nam people also want to meet this stadium because of economic hardship but me why I also the multi-purpose no ever which yes I like multi-purpose stadium me per multi-purpose and a bit me I continue all the sporting activities ama Ghana the athletics etimi aswaide asori agina but at the end of the day our promises weighing on the personnel nipa obedi anima sports minister our promises we NDC any MPP for any year any alamu ina kikan for sports no this time we are going to hold them accountable we are really going to hold them accountable nyadia ye beja ana ye be jane sa say o ma betu o manum akyere wa betu kuwa mahama be dwane num akyere because odi kan ka say ko in stadium economic hardship obe manifesto before MPP for the buy no na say wonu so in stadium ba MPP for no buy no ba umya no si wonu be ba bi stadium you understand and no so account and say or the multi-purpose hall no just a modern facilities na mahama no so de be ba make hold mu accountable Ghana for be hold mu accountable wuntimi and spell a man drop the wuntimi spell a man drop this time around enya de be mu atuku abi keke akyere adwamanum keke e de akyere ye beto abapa ye beto and a me fireman fire for fire country matum me for so ama Ghana for I dey ato mutim ehu no matimi ato abapa na abapa umbeto no chese ye sports na say no but you follow promises no more promises no we are going to hold them accountable 1 p.m. ye beto fire no so and then 1 p.m. adum 1 p.m. no say me Badwam me ho say me fi mu ekọ France for Olympic Para Games no but and then no me the studio Adom TV or fire for fire no so 1 p.m. na yahwe promises are MPP ni NDC ni other parties ni they might see and to abamo mu no mbe sports na my sports na you know or see it more accountable more fire
songo nem ya pre ko na sisi ekutan so achaman maso ko no di okọ Maswo Krono di oko. Maswo
that's all there.
Yes.
Experience as a coach you have
sure.
The experience in there.
Sure.
Obetimi dia ibi. Yeah, on your bad.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Yeah, on your bad.
Dabi.
Easy. Two North African countries in Bono. It has to stand now. Just say Google there. Them.
More fire.
Almost live up to expectation.
More fire. We are able to also. Yes, Songo Steak. The man himself, Patrick Osayajima, you can call him Countryman Songo Ninka and Amoti and sorry so no the Black Princesses of Ghana. So Egusu will be Manso Colombia Ahumboa they are trained there and 20 Women's World Cup Ebeba so it will be Manso. Na nyame admo china I'm the friendly game back where Pem so I'm South Korea and the bosso 8:30 p.m. Ghana time. Na BB akwa so then we need the Gaka top form so be Team United and the GC was so Kumasi as Antikotoko Femon so no I'm on friendly game I'm Ho United koye 1-1 ewo ho no se preseason na Kotoko Egusu no so na folk and so Egusu will be Mansu Togo omo de homboabo no Egusu ekoso no ntino BB e beto form bia no yemfa enkam na net day so and the Ghana Football Association Congress na say 2 days of Congress NHS ni nyina ekoso obi pram Ghana Soccer of Excellence and ekoso na ene na day 1 say nyame admo china anomo de BB abeba na wie no china no and the main program of the day or china no and the main one and the aso mo proper ni ma na china no mo de BB akogu ntino BB e beto fom bia no yemfa enkame mo ha and the brama me ho kwan na me de akokensie mu no ensem na esi asra kese biom enkoma bet power boys di gusu diska girls gusu diska brante mbaiwa mpemfo enkokra mrewa obi bia egusu diska ntino on diska ya e was on DB na BB akoso happy birthday kese enkoma happy birthday enkoma Dora yes we if you cover my wife and obviously we busia phone na amusi nyame nkopon enchira o ma sida kese biom enkoma St Phillips so ma shementade kama St Phillips circle St Phillips odani we need to circle intade bia ope bia ombeba St Phillips there intade mu antade o hwa atade hemia ni twa wa St Phillips nkwa and o mesha ontade ya sida kese enkoma Sergio Manuto I'm a proud producer na no pemi din antinyame ba Bernard Padibotre.
And then some more about Badwam TV.